Hey Toby, do you want to do this apartment tour? I think that is a yes. We're about to do this apartment tour together. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Elena and this is Toby, and we are about to take you on a tour of our apartment in Venice Beach, California. I love it when he's alert like that. So it's been about 2 months now that I've lived in this place. I absolutely love California, and I feel like a good apartment just makes the experience so much more worth it. I'm quite a beach person, so I did pick a place that is close to the ocean, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you a few snippets of that. And we're going to go through the different rooms and how I have organized my space, and also we're going to talk about how much it costs. I'm going to share a few tips on how you can get a place in Los Angeles if this is the first time. So my apartment is located in Venice Beach, somewhere kind of in between Venice Beach and Santa Monica. A lot of people say that this is a great place to be. A lot of people say that you might as well skip it. I guess I will share all the details with you and I'll let you decide for yourself. So yeah, without further ado, let's take you through my minimalist apartment in Los Angeles. Oh, and every time I say I love you, he tries to kiss me. I love you. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is the bathroom. What I really love about this bathroom is that it is all white, and then we have these blue walls. It reminds me of the ocean. I also have this mirror over here, which is so nice. I love the fact that it is so big. And there I have my beach towel, and then my shower towels up there, and all of my cosmetic products up there. And this bathtub, I'm like, oh, love a good bathtub. I love all the space that I have in these drawers. It is so easy to reach for things whenever I need them. And also my hair products in the bottom drawer. And then I have this extra space under the sink for more beach towels. As we move away from the bathroom, we're going to go straight into this little eating corner. This is where I would usually work on my videos. And then we have this little kitchen corner here where I have a fridge and of course a really cute little Dutch oven. I am someone who cooks, so this has been coming in really handy. Okay, so moving on from this little living room corner is the kitchen. What I really love about this kitchen is that it is white. It is so functional. It only has the basic necessities. I have a little coffee machine because I'm a coffee drinker, and then I got this little blender off of Amazon just because I like to do my morning shakes. And then I have this little cooking stove. Up here I will have all of my dishware, and I bought a few Tupperwares just because I can cook sometimes and then I have leftovers, so it's easy to store. And then up here I've put in my coffee. I have some flaxseed, and I have this, which is so good for smoothies. It's just a protein with collagen inside, so really good supplement. Then here I'll have more cups and some glasses. Then up here, all of the pots and pans, and well, since I'm someone who cooks, you can imagine I use that pretty often. This is my little sleeping area. I have a queen bed. And then this chair is my absolute favorite. This is where I filmed my intro. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. And then we have a little closet just behind this mirror. I love that they use this full-size mirror to cover the closet. That is so beautiful. It did manage to fit all my clothes in it. I have this little storage space down here for any extra shoes or underwear or garments. Then over here we have this little ironing board. Up here I've put my hat and my sunglasses in a bag, and up here another hat and a bag that matches. And then I like to arrange my clothes more or less according to colors. I put my luggage up there and my second luggage down here along with my backpack and another bag. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. I'm literally 1 block from the beach, so I'm not surprised that the price of the studio is reflecting that situation. I currently pay about $2,300 for a studio apartment in this area. With that being said, could I get a better deal? Yes, 100%. I could definitely get a 1-bedroom apartment just a few blocks more into Venice Beach, and I would pay about $1,800 to $2,000. The way I went about finding my apartment, I went on Airbnb as soon as I decided the dates when I want to stay, and I picked the area where I wanted to live, and then I filtered it by apartment, what they look like, and of course pricing. And something else that I really appreciate is just how warm and nice and inviting people are here. It is beautiful to see. I have felt at home here in so many ways, thanks to the fact that we all live close to the beach, so we're all kind of relaxed, kind of in this friendly atmosphere where we like to talk to other people, where everyone is very laid back, and it's such a different vibe compared to New York, because in New York people do not really talk to each other. So that's another point why I feel like LA has been so great to me, because it's able to make some really great friendships and to have some really amazing memories that I cannot wait to post about really, really soon.